Why are there not more people talking about killer PC builds under 80k? Let's break down the best bang for buck setup that'll level up your gaming. First up, the heart of your rig, the Ryzen 5 5600 processor. It's fast, efficient and perfect for gaming marathons. Pair that with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, smooth frames, stunning visuals and no stutter. For RAM, grab 16GB DDR4 at 3200 MHz. It's the sweet spot for gaming and multitasking. Storage, go for a 1TB NVMe SSD, your games will load in a flash. Pick a B550 motherboard for great features and future upgrades. Power it all with a reliable 550W PSU and tuck it into a sleek mid-tower case for airflow. This setup gives you next-level performance without breaking the bank. Build it, game on, and let your victories roll. Don't forget to like, follow, and game smarter.